Hello kids. Moo Moo. Welcome. Welcome to our silly farm party. I'm your friend Moo Moo Cow, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. We're going to have so much fun together. We'll sing songs, dance, guess animal sounds, and maybe even meet a few of my farm friends. Like my pal Chirpy the chicken. Cluck cluck. Can you wave at me? Go on. Wave at Moo Moo Cow. Yes, I see you. Hi there, little one. Before we start, let's practice our moo together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, moo. Wow, that was the loudest moo I've heard all day. All right, my little farm friends, let's get ready to sing and play. Grab your dancing feet, your clapping hands, and let's get moving. Let's sing a song about all the animals on the farm. Do you know Farmer Benny's animal band? Let's go!
The cow on the farm goes moo moo moo, moo moo moo, moo moo moo. The cow on the farm goes moo 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 all day long. The sheep on the farm go ba ba ba, ba ba ba, ba ba ba. The sheep on the farm go ba 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 all day long. The hen on the farm goes cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck, cluck cluck cluck. The hen on the farm goes cluck 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 all day long. The pig on the farm goes oink oink oink, oink oink oink, oink oink oink. The pig on the farm goes oink 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 all day long. The horse on the farm goes neigh neigh neigh, neigh neigh neigh, neigh neigh neigh. The horse on the farm goes neigh 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 all day long. The duck on the farm goes quack quack quack, quack quack quack, quack quack quack. The duck on the farm goes quack 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 all day long. The dog on the farm goes woof woof woof, woof woof woof, woof woof woof. The dog on the farm goes woof 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 all day long.
Wasn't that fun? Great job singing and mooing along, friends. Hey, little farmers. Are you ready for a soundtastic challenge? Welcome to the Farm Animal Sound Quiz. Are you ready to guess who's making each sound? Let's listen carefully and shout your answer when you know it. This fluffy friend goes ba-ba and gives us warm wool. Who is it? Yes, it's a sheep, so soft and ba. Who loves to roll in the mud and says oink oink. Right again, it's a pig. Oink credible. Which animal says cluck cluck and lays yummy eggs? Correct, it's a hen. Clucktastic. This one gallops fast and says neigh. Can you guess? Yeehaw! It's a horse. Neigh some. Who swims in the pond and says quack quack. Yes, that's a duck. Quack quack hooray. Who barks and helps guard the farm. Woof woof. You got it, it's a dog. Possum job. who goes moo moo and loves eating grass all day. That's right, it's a cow, movieless. Give yourself a big round of applause. You're a farm sound superstar. Let's see what we do on the farm. Maybe we'll feed the animals, hear them sing, or even dance with them. Come on, little farmers, let's go.
Let's visit a farm in spring.
Hi there, friends. Welcome to Farm in Spring. Springtime is one of the most exciting seasons on the farm. Everything is waking up, growing, and coming to life. Are you ready to explore? Let's go.
So what happens in spring? In spring, the weather gets warmer, the snow melts away, and tiny green plants start to grow. Look at those trees, they're getting their leaves back. And those little flowers, they're waking up too. Can you spot a bee buzzing from flower to flower? There it goes. Buzz buzz.
Let's say hello to the animals on the farm. Here are the cows. Cows give us milk, and they love to eat fresh spring grass. Can you moo like a cow? Ready? Moo! Great job.
And look, these are sheep. In the spring, baby lambs are born. Look how wobbly their legs are when they walk. Let's all say ba like a lamb. Bea.
Now we're at the chicken coop. These hens are keeping their eggs warm. And, oh, some baby chicks have just hatched. Can you chirp like a baby chick? Peep, peep, peep.
Spring is the perfect time for planting seeds. Farmers get the soil ready using big machines like this tractor. Can you pretend to drive the tractor? Vroom.
Now the farmer plants the seeds for vegetables like carrots, corn, and peas. What's your favorite vegetable?
There's lots to do on a farm. Feed the chickens. Collect eggs from the hen house. Brush the ponies. Give hay to the goats. Which job would you want to try?
Farms can be fun too. You might get to ride a pony, or go on a wagon ride around the field. What a wonderful day on the farm in spring. We saw animals and their babies, helped plant seeds, and took rides.
Thank you for coming with me today.
Wow, what a movieless time we had on the farm. Thanks for visiting all the animals with me. Now, let's find out where the baby animals come from and what their mommies do to take care of them.
Where do baby animals come from?
Hi friends, are you ready to learn where baby animals come from? Let's go on a super cute animal adventure.
Spring is a very special time, when lots of baby animals are born. From fuzzy lambs to tiny chicks. Let's find out how they come into the world. Get ready to meet some baby animal families.
First up, baby chicks. They come from eggs. A mother hen lays the eggs and sits on them to keep them warm. After about 21 days crack, out pops a fluffy baby chick.
On the farm, mama sheep have baby lambs in spring too. Lambs grow inside their mommy's belly and are born live.
Ducklings also hatch from eggs in warm nests. They can swim right away, splash, splash.
Bunnies have babies called kits. They're tiny and hairless at first.
Look at that wobbly baby horse. It's called a foal. Foals are born live and can walk and run within hours.
Baby geese are called goslings. They hatch from eggs and follow their mom in a line. Baby cows are called calves. They're born live and love to moo and cuddle.
In spring, cats and dogs also have babies, called kittens and puppies. They're born with closed eyes and need lots of love and warmth.
Butterflies start as caterpillars. They make a cocoon and transform. It's called metamorphosis.
Wow, we met so many babies today. Chicks, ducklings, goslings, and butterflies come from eggs. Lambs, bunnies, foals, calves, kittens, and puppies are born live.
Every baby animal is special, and all need love, care, and snuggles to grow.
Thanks for meeting our tiny farm friends. Let's give them a big round of claps. Now that we've met all the baby animals, let's dance on Baby Animal Song.
Hello friends, come sing today. Baby animals wanna play. On the farm or in the zoo, let's meet the babies, me and you.
The baby cow says moo moo moo. It loves to munch on grass with you. It's called a calf, so soft and sweet, with wobbly legs and dancing feet.
The piglet plays in muddy fun, rolling around beneath the sun. It oinks and snorts and wiggles its tail. A happy piglet never fails. Baby animals, small and bright, snuggle close and sleep at night. Soft and furry, cute and new, singing and playing just like you.
The baby sheep is called a lamb. It stays close by its gentle man.
It ba 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 says and runs and hops through grassy hills and flowery crops. A tiny chick goes peep peep peep. It scratches the ground and falls asleep. With fluffy feathers, yellow and small, it chirps and cuddles through it all.
A baby horse is called the foal. It gallops fast, that's its goal. It shakes its mane and neighs with glee. Come and run along with me.
A baby goat is called a kid. It jumps and skips and sometimes hit. With little horns and happy bleats, it's always dancing on its feet. Baby animals laugh and play, learning something new each day. On the farm or in the zoo, they love to sing and play with you.
A duckling waddles left and right, fluffy and yellow, a happy sight. It splashes around in a little pond of water games, it's very fond.
A puppy barks and gives a lick. It loves a game of fetch or stick. It's loyal, bouncy, full of cheer, a furry friend to hold so near. Baby animals, we love you. From piglets pink to ducklings blue. Thanks for coming, thanks for fun. We'll meet again, now run, run, run. Bye bye, baby animals.
Great dancing, little farmers. You moved just like the baby animals. That's all for today, friends. Moo you later.
Bye, friends, it's time to go. We had fun at the farm, you know. We sang, we danced, we played around with animal friends who made cool sounds. Bye now, we'll see you soon. Maybe morning, night, or noon. Clap your hands and give a cheer. We'll be back, so never fear.